In this video, I'll show you how to use Capcut templates. First, open the Capcut app and sign into your account. From the home screen, tap the Templates tab to browse the available templates. Next, use the search bar or browse the different categories to find a template you like. Tap on a template to preview how it looks and see how many photos or videos you'll need. Now, tap Use Template, then select the required photos or video clips from your device. Once you've made your selection, tap Next, and Capcut will automatically apply the template to your content. After that, review the finished video. If the template allows editing, you can replace clips, adjust text, change music, or make other small changes before exporting. Finally, tap Export, choose your preferred resolution and frame rate if prompted, and save the video to your device or share it directly to your favorite social media platform. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Capcut templates. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.